Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Glisten and Glow under the Kapok trees and Lina Make Your Mark 08. Today I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and I'll be using this SE underneath as kind of like an undie, and I'm having trouble finding the name. Here we go, On Air. It's just a gold shimmery, polish, and I figured it would, add that little bit of something I needed so I didn't have to do 3 coats of the jelly polish, the special polish. You guys know I try to save the special stuff. Excuse me. Hi Woody, how you doing? I know there's a lot of people out there with much wider nail beds than me that need this trick. So here's under the Kapok trees. Beautiful polish. This is another one that my friend Miss Tammy gave me. It's so pretty. But I could see if you have longer nails or wider nail beds, you really would need to do like 3 coats of this on its own. And if you don't have a similar green, go with a silver or a gold or something, just to give it that, little bit of something underneath. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats of the special polish, this special one. And it's just building up beautifully. And you don't have to use a glittery one. You could use just a regular gold polish underneath it also. Just something to give it some background to hang on to. There we go. I'm going to top this one with the Pro FX quick dry top coat real quick. Now today I'm going to do what they call double processed stamping. It is frustrating, and that is why we're only doing 3 nails today. I had to cut the video down. It was like 20 minutes. But I'm going to start off with my Burt's Bees. I just brush it around my cuticle area. And then we'll be using Lina Make Your Mark at 03. There's the image, the whole image, and then that's the one I'm going to try to put on top of. So I'll be using this Born Pretty. It's a bright blue and Braves Diva Shutout. Got my cube stamper out from Maniology and my beauty scraper, which I end up not using. I end up going to a clear generic scraper. This is a frustrating process, I'm not gonna lie. I put down the blue and the white over the ones I want to use, and then scrape the blue one first and then the white. Now the blue gets all over the stamper and then the white only sticks to the image. So you're going to put the color you're going to want on top on the big whole image, and then the white goes on the image you're wanting to keep on your nails, the design look that you're wanting to have. A little hard to explain, and I'm heavy-handed, and that's why I have trouble with this over that big open image right there. So, I'm telling y'all, this meant this video would have been forever long, but you just keep doing it until you get one on the stamper that looks good to you. Now I'm cleaning the plate like I'm done, and I am going to do a little, mania motion here in just a second to show y'all. And it turned out okay. It was alright. I should have left it alone, but I didn't. We're going to break out Beauty Big Bang 011, the gold, and my Maniology scraper, and my little stamper again. And I'm going to stamp over it in gold, thinking that's going to fix it. Should have left it alone. That's all I'm saying. Just should have left it alone. I'm having trouble figuring out how I had the stamper turned. So y'all can see when I get frustrated, I hit that struggle bus because I'm frustrated with it. And, I know I'm not the only one that runs into this. So I'm sharing it with you. I know I've been doing this a long time, and y'all think, oh, she's just so good at it. And for the most part, maybe. But some days, I have my days too, y'all. I struggle. I really should have left it alone. I did like it much better with just the blue. And you can see I'm second guessing myself all the way through this last part. Wondering why I even did this. So we're going to go ahead and muster on. I didn't hate it or anything. I don't want you guys to think that. And you guys also have to remember, it's nail polish, honey. It comes right off. But I actually wore this one for like 3 days and I didn't have a problem with it. So I couldn't have hated it that bad, right? So I'm doing my cleanup here with a little piece of tape. And then I'm going to use my cleanup brush real quick to tidy up around those edges a little. And then finally, I'm going to top this one off with some smudge-free top coat so that I don't smear that design. It's a little train wreck here, y'all. That struggle bus wrecked. And then I'm going to top it with the Poshe top coat to finish it off, seal it in, and say, okay, I'm done. I'm done with this one. There we go. I'm going to cap my free edge. So here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.